parallel levels were they taking politics to when they referred to Prime Minister elected by 140 crore Indians as Hitler and Mussolini and said Chaukidar Chor hai, for which the Supreme Court reprimanded them? So which coin you pay in, you will get paid back in the same coin. And let me tell you, Mir Jafar is not a name. Rahul Gandhi's traits are like Mir Jafar. Did he not say Pulwama is not a terror attack? Did he not say China has harmony? And at the same time, he was demanding foreign intervention. And 51 hours later, he corrected his statement to say that it's an Indian problem. And on this show, when you were not there, Madhav was anchoring. I have heard, made everyone hear the statement he has given to Nicholas Burns. There, he has said categorically, US establishment must intervene. What intervention was he seeking? Forget that. George Soros, what statement he made, Praveen Chakravarti supported it. Did they take action on Praveen Chakravarti? And we all remember Manishankar Iyer went with a katora to Pakistan that help us, we want to remove Modi. And you remember what they said about surgical strike, Khoon ki dalali, Balakot strike, Chil Kauve Mare, Pulwama ke bare mein ki this has not been done by Pakistan, it's an Indian operation. So these are the traits of Mir Jafar, and I want to ask you, Pawan Kheda revealed his mindset. Pawan Kheda said that you are kirayedar, means he feels that he is the only landlord and Sonia Gandhi is the landlady. ये देश किसी की बपौती नहीं है, ये संविधान किसी की बपौती नहीं. I have 2 or 3 specific questions. Today 70 hours of business should have been transacted in both houses. Is Rahul Gandhi's ego and parivar above the institution? You ask for foreign intervention, attack our sovereignty, you have to apologize unconditionally and categorically, and parliament can function. Instead of that, what do they do? Let me show you the video evidence, the pictorial evidence. This is Lok Sabha Speaker praying to the Vipaksh. Today he said, let us continue with the proceedings of the house. Prashna Kal chalne do. They came to the well of the house. They started sloganeering. And today, twice, not once, twice, 11:30 and 2:30 p.m., the Sabhapati ji has called all parties. Where was Congress party? This mindset that we are the landlord. Ye hamare baap ki jagir hai. This kind of attitude cannot do. Tehseen Poonawalla must tell us, would he ever demand foreign intervention? There's been foreign intervention. Now he'll say, no, that statement didn't mean this, didn't mean that. I have made him hear the statement. It categorically says, I remember Abhijit Mitra Iyer was also on your show when we had done the debate on Nicholas Burns' statement. He has demanded intervention time and again of US administration, and therefore today Congress party must first unconditionally and categorically apologize. Otherwise, how can you use platform of parliament when you do not agree?